Hello everyone, hope you are doing well. In this video, I will explain about GitHub Actions sample app example. So, GitHub Actions used for CI/CD. CI/CD abbreviation is continuous integration and continuous deployment. So, by using GitHub Actions, we can deploy in AWS, Azure, different cloud platforms. First, we need to know what is GitHub Actions. What is GitHub Actions? So, answer is GitHub Actions is a feature of GitHub. GitHub Actions is a feature of GitHub. So, I will show this is my GitHub. So, create the one repository, new repository. So, here I am mentioning GitHub Actions sample app example, right? So, I am creating sample app. So, one repository is called one service or one module. So, sample app. Here also I am mentioning sample app. So, create repository. So, we have created right one repository. So, these are the repositories. See, updated now. That means just now created. So, sample app, right? See here, there is no actions, right? There is no actions tab, right? Click on repository. Here, one actions tab is there. So, here we need to create the GitHub workflow. Okay, set up a workflow yourself or sample workflow. See, it will giving default some configuration. So just we need to edit. See, this is the name. Like you can mention like application name, any name. This is the push branches, pull request. This kind of go back, leave. So the deployment supports. This is the Azure AWS. This is the Google Cloud. Next, Terraform, OpenShift, IBM Cloud, Alibaba Cloud. Security is also supported. Core QR analysis. These are some security supported. So for continuous integration here, languages supported C, .NET, C++, C++, Node.js kind of. So like, so I will create now, set up a workflow. I will create one workflow. So see here, sample app, right? After it will create .github. After that slash, it will create workflow. So this is the main.oml file. This is the name, our workflow. This is the GitHub Actions. So here, this is the GitHub Action, nothing but by using GitHub Actions, we can do continuous integration and continuous deployment. For that, we need to create the one repository. After that, need to go to action. Then we need to create the workflow. See, workflow under available workflows folder. So .github/workflows our repository. After that, this .github is one folder. Next, another workflows one folder. This is the workflow name, like main.oml. So this workflow is in OML format. So default name is main. If you want to, you can also change to any name. So I will add few of the commands here. See, so post name nothing but our workflow name. Suppose I am giving this repository name as a workflow name. If you want another name, you can give. So after that, same line you can mention on. So can mention push whenever pushed any code, then this will be auto triggered. It will be run, right? So here, after that, jobs. We need to mention jobs. So jobs you can mention I'm mentioning compare job. Like this is the jobs, right? Like array kind of. This is the one job compare. Job is nothing but compare. Like is one job, right? This is nothing but this is the job. So this is the workflow, right? GitHub Actions slash workflow. Workflow is a collection of jobs. So collection of jobs, remember. Next, compile rate. Need to mention runs hyphen R. We need to mention the which operating system this this will run. So we can use Ubuntu hyphen latest. So I am using this image. So after that steps. So jobs have multiple jobs, like steps they have multiple steps. So steps nothing but actions to be taken, like commands, scripts, etc. We need to mention if any scripts, commands, we need to mention here. So steps, right? You can mention name, colon. So we can give like my step, some name, step name. After that, run. So run colon space. So I want to print a one message. So I am using echo. Echo by using like system.out.println, we are printing some message, right? Like the same way by using echo, we can print the some message. Like this is sample app. This is sample app. So that's it. I am creating this workflow only. The workflow is there in YAML file. So I am created one workflow. So you can verify this is the YAML file is correct or not. Like you can mention YAML file validator. You can check validator. You can click any link. Control V. Let's go. So it is saying not allowed. So that means we need to like then go, yeah, valid YAML file. Then we are forgetted to one space here. Yeah, right. So then no errors. Commit. It will print the this is sample app. I will so first go to our repository. Be careful. This is our repository sample app. See here github slash workflows. This is created two folders here. Main.yml file created. See, this is the our workflow. This is the name of the workflow. On push. We need to if you want to any pull request, push request, if anything, can mention after that jobs here. So jobs, we have multiple jobs. We can mention if any there steps. We can also mention multiple steps. So go to actions. See here, create OMR. This is the commit name. Whenever you are committing something, right? That name, commit name. See, after going to on push, compare where mentioned, right? Compare, right? See where mentioned here. This is the job where mentioned job. Here saying run HO. This is sample. We need to print this. For that step, go to step. This is the run HO, right? After running this, we are getting the this is sample app. So we are successfully understand GitHub Actions sample app example. For next video, I will try to make here. I'm going to my repositories. I will add Maven as well. So suppose go to this repository. We are not configured any app this workflows and GitHub Actions and workflows. So I will show Maven in there. See here next video I will use Maven. See in this continuous integration, if you are so see continuous integration, search like Maven, enter, see Java with Maven. This I will explain in next video. See, this is some default workflow configuration. So it is the JDK setup is there. The maven nvn -b package file name something maven command is there to run the pom.xml file. So this is I will explain next video. Thank you for watching. For more videos, please subscribe to this YouTube channel. So and I will provide the sample app link to this video description.